The chevron pattern is a beautiful knitting pattern and relatively easy because it comprises 2 knitting stitches, the knit stitch and the purl stitch. You can tell this is a chevron because of the V pattern. This particular one I like because of the swirls. It gives it character and body. When you're casting on, cast on in multiples of 7 stitches and make sure that you add 4 stitches. The pattern has 24 rows, which create the chevron pattern. Row number 1, and every odd row you purl. Row number 2, start with your first 3 stitches and knit. Knit 1, knit 2, knit 3. And now we start the pattern. Slip 1 stitch onto your second needle. Slip 2 stitches onto your second needle. From the front, pick up both stitches and knit. Knit 5, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, knit 5 stitches, yarn over towards you. And that completes the pattern for row number 2. And now you repeat. Row number 4. Start with your first 3 knit stitches. Knit 1, knit 2, knit 3. And now we start with the pattern. Slip 1 stitch, slip 2 stitches onto your second needle, move to the front and knit them together. Knit 4, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, yarn over and towards you, knit 1. And that completes the pattern for row number 4. Now you repeat the pattern. Row number 6. Start with your first 3 stitches and knit. Knit 1, knit 2, knit 3. And now you start your pattern. Slip 1, slip 2 onto your second needle. From the front, collect the 2 stitches, move the wool around and knit together. Knit 3, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, yarn over and towards you, knit 2, knit 1, knit 2. And that completes the pattern for row number 6. Now you repeat. Row number 8. Knit 3, 1, knit 2, knit 3, and now you start your pattern. Slip 2 stitches onto your second knitting needle, come from the front, pick them up and knit. Knit 2, knit 1, knit 2, yarn over, knit 3, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3. And that completes the pattern for row number 8. And now you repeat it. Row number 10, knit the first 3 stitches, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, and now you start the pattern. Slip 1, slip 2 stitches onto your second needle, pick them up and knit them together. Knit 1 stitch, yarn over and towards you. Knit 4, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, and that completes the pattern for row number 10. And now you repeat. Row number 12, knit the 3 first stitches, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, and now you start your pattern. Slip 1, slip 2, come to the front and knit them both together. Yarn over and knit 5. 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, knit 5, and that completes the pattern for row number 12. And now you repeat. Row number 14. Now the pattern changes slightly. Knit the first stitch, and now we start the pattern. Yarn over and towards you. Knit 5, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, knit 5, and then we knit 2 stitches together. And that completes the pattern for row number 14. Now you repeat. Row 16, start with your first stitch is a knit stitch, and now we start the pattern. Knit 1, yarn over and towards you. Knit 4, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, knit 2 stitches together. And that's the end of the pattern. Now repeat that to the end of the row. Row number 18. Start with a knit 1. And now we start our pattern. Knit 2, knit 1, knit 2, yarn over and towards you, knit 3, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3 and knit 2 together. And that completes our pattern for row number 18. Now you repeat that to the end. Row number 20. Start with your knit 1. And now we start the pattern. Knit 3, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, yarn over and towards you, knit 2, knit 1, knit 2, and then knit 2 stitches together, and that completes the pattern for row 20. Now repeat that to the end. Row 22. Start with a knit stitch, and now start with your pattern. Knit 4, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, yarn over and towards you, knit 1, and then knit 2 stitches together. And that completes the pattern for row number 22. Repeat that to the end of your knitting needle. Row 24 is our final row with this pattern. With your first stitch, knit 1, and now we start the pattern. Knit 5, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, knit 5, yarn over and towards you, knit 2 together. And that completes the pattern for row 24. Now repeat this pattern to the end. The chevron stitch. It's such a pretty stitch and quite enjoyable to knit.